In 2020, the coronavirus pandemic caused a sudden increase in demand for hygiene-related products, resulting in global shortage. Improving the hygiene, the environment, and health of the world has always been Saraya's core philosophy. Guided by this principle, we are committed to further strengthening our production system to ensure a stable supply of high-quality and safe products. In January 2023, we built a new nitrile glove manufacturing facility in Jiangsu Province, China. Having our own production facility enables us to maintain high quality and control supply. Boasting one of the longest production lines in the world, this factory achieves improved production efficiency. The attached product warehouse can store about a year's worth of inventory ready to supply in case of emergency. Additionally, various equipments and manufacturing environments ensure the safe handling of our products with an innovative box opening that facilitates easy and sanitary use of gloves. Quality inspections are conducted in accordance with international standards. We have also strengthened our management system and brought in experienced quality control personnel to achieve reliable quality and reduce defective products. All this supported by many environmentally friendly initiatives. At Saraya, we will continue improving quality and ensuring a stable supply by strengthening our production system. Connect through life. Saraya.